What if you could have an entire team of AI specialists at your beck and call? I'm not just talking about a chatbot. I mean a dedicated researcher, a professional presentation designer, a podcast agent, and even a web developer, all working for you 24/7. That is exactly what Skyworks' new Super Agents platform promises to deliver. It's designed to be an entire AI workforce. Today, we're putting that claim to the test to see if this is the future of productivity or just another drop in the AI ocean. So once you log in, you're greeted by this really clean and straightforward dashboard. And by the way, if you want to try this out yourself, they give you free daily credits to play with. My link for that is down in the description, along with a discount code if you decide to upgrade. Now, what's really destructive here is that Skywork is designed to be not only more reliable than traditional AI assistants, but also comes in at around half the cost for this level of power. Right at the top, you have your main command center, where you can type in your prompt and toggle on live internet access for up-to-the-minute research. But this is where it starts getting powerful. You can feed these agents your own resources by uploading local files, connecting to a knowledge base, or just pasting in links and text. It even integrates directly with Google Drive, OneDrive, and Dropbox. And for the real data nerds, you can plug it directly into professional-grade sources like Google Scholar, the World Bank, and Wikipedia, ensuring your AI is working with verified information. Now, let's meet the team. Scrolling down, you see the lineup of these super agents. First up is the General Agent, which is basically the Swiss Army knife of the platform. I've used this before to create an entire audio podcast and then have it generate all the visuals and a promotional video to go with it. It's an all-in-one powerhouse that can create ads, short films, social media content, you name it. Then you have the Documents Agent, which is your dedicated researcher. You give it a topic, and it dives deep to generate incredibly detailed reports, white papers, and technical documents, complete with citations. Next is the Slides Agent, your personal presentation designer. Forget boring bullet points. This thing creates stunning, professionally designed decks that will make you look like a design pro. We'll definitely be testing that one out. And for the coders or those who want to be, there's the AI Developer. This agent can build websites, applications, and games from a simple text prompt. We also have the Podcast Agent for creating multi-speaker audio shows, and this new one called UVibe, which is like a YouTube repurposing machine. You can feed it a long video link, and it can pull out summaries, generate new scripts, or even create podcasts from it. Super impressive stuff. All right, talk is cheap. Let's put these agents to work. First up, I want to see what the Documents Agent can really do. I'm going to select it, and you see we have a couple of options: Fast Mode and Deep Mode. Deep Mode is for when you need an exhaustive thesis-level analysis, which can take up to 30 minutes. For today, Fast Mode should be more than enough. I'm giving it a pretty complex prompt. Generate a detailed white paper on the rise of human biohacking, and I've added specific instructions on the key trends and ethical considerations it needs to cover. Let's hit enter and see what happens. And check this out on the right, you get this real-time behind-the-scenes look at the agent at work. It's not a black box. You can see it browsing the web, pulling from different sources, and piecing together the research. It's sifting through dozens of links, cross-referencing information, and building the document from the ground up. This whole process only took about 2 minutes in fast mode. And now, boom, the task is complete. It used 56 different resources for this. The best part? You can download the final report as a Word doc, PDF, or even HTML, which is a feature you don't often see. Let's open it up. We've got a professional title page, a clean table of contents, and then the content itself. It's incredibly well structured, with key points highlighted. But look at this. It has generated interactive charts and graphs to visualize the data. Here's one forecasting the human microchipping market and another on the growth of nootropics. You can hover over them for more detail. This is insane. It's a multi-page, data-rich report that feels like it was written by a team of analysts. And at the very end, a full reference section citing all 56 sources. This isn't just AI making stuff up. It's verifiable, high-quality research. Okay, I'm impressed. But what about creativity? Let's try the Slides Agent. I'm going to ask it to create a stunning pitch deck for a keynote speech at the Future Tech Summit titled Humanity 2.0. I've thrown in some details about the specific topics I wanted to cover. It's now asking me for a bit more direction, page count, and theme. I'll go with 6 to 10 pages and select the dark theme, because that always looks cooler. I'll hit continue, and just like before, the agent is off to the races, planning the structure and conducting its research. You can see it outlining each slide before it even starts designing. A few moments later, task complete. Whoa. Okay, this is genuinely stunning. It's fully animated. The title slide has the summit name, the date, and the slick, futuristic design. As I click through, the layouts are incredible. They're dynamic, visually engaging, and perfectly on theme. Look at this slide. The elements move as you hover over them. It's generated custom images and graphics that perfectly match the content. Ethical tightrope, equity versus autonomy. It understood the nuance of the topic and translated it into a compelling visual story. This looks like something a professional design agency would charge a fortune for. And again, I can download this as a PowerPoint, PDF, or even import it directly into Google Slides. All right, for the grand finale, let's give it the ultimate test: coding. I'm selecting the AI Developer Agent. My prompt is to build an immersive single-page landing page for a new organization called the Biohacker Collective. The design must be ultra-modern, use a dark theme, and have 5 specific sections, including a newsletter sign-up form at the end. This is a pretty demanding request. After I hit enter, it asks me for a few clarifying details about animations and effects. I'm just going to select the AI Auto Planning option and let it make all the decisions itself. Now it's doing its thing, searching for assets, structuring the code, and you can literally watch it write the HTML and CSS in real time on the right. And here we go, the final web page. Let me open this in full screen. The animations are subtle and slick. As I scroll, here are the 5 sections I asked for, each with a unique layout and placeholder content. The design is clean, modern, and exactly what I envisioned. And right at the bottom, a fully functional Join Our Community sign-up form. It didn't just show me a picture of a website, it built the actual thing. And the best part? It gives me all the code. I can download the HTML and CSS files right here and host this site wherever I want. It just handed me the keys. So, what's the verdict? Skywork Super Agents is, without a doubt, one of the most powerful and genuinely useful AI platforms I've ever tested. The concept of specialized agents isn't just a gimmick, it delivers specialized, high-quality results across a huge range of tasks. Whether you're a marketer, a researcher, a student, or an entrepreneur, this feels less like a tool and more like hiring a team of incredibly talented digital employees. If you want to try this out for yourself, I've dropped a link down in the description. The team at Skywork was also cool enough to give us a discount, so I'll put that code right here on the screen and in the description as well for 20% off any plan. If you found this video helpful, do me a favor and smash that like button. It really helps the channel out. And if you want to stay ahead of the curve on all things AI, make sure you're subscribed. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.